Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you are spending $15 to $25 a day eating fast and processed food that you know it is not good for you, at the same time you don't really like it that much, then this is a video for you. In this video, I'm going to help you that you're going to eat a healthy diet with all fresh and unprocessed ingredients of a meal that you cook for yourself. I'm going to give you 10 guidelines that you can achieve this goal in less than $10 a day. Guideline number 1 is to adopt my fast cooking system. It is a cooking system that will allow you to cook every day with the following attributes, which is flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir-frying, and template-based cooking. This will make home cooking that's practical, efficient, rapid, fusion, economical, creative, and tasty. I call this the perfect cooking conditions. I started my YouTube channel about 2 years ago with the goal to help people in adopting my fast cooking system. And tip number 2 is to learn and master stir-frying as the primary cooking process. And the reason is that stir-frying is very efficient. It allows you to cook a meal for 4 people in less than 30 minutes using ingredients that is fresh and unprocessed. So the first thing that you need to do is to get a wok. As I have discussed in other videos, the best wok to get is a Cucina 14-inch stainless steel wok. It is relatively inexpensive and it has the capacity in using for different types of cooking functions. While you are looking for this wok, you should also order a stainless steel wok spatula. And so together for $40, a little bit more, you will have a cooking utensil that will allow you to cook almost anything you want in the kitchen. You can see my other video on how to use them, and they will last you for a lifetime. Furthermore, you're going to find stir-fry to be a lot of fun. Number 3, cook your food with fresh ingredients, particularly with vegetables. Through my fast cooking system, you can learn how to cook different kinds of vegetables and flavor them to the way how you like it. Most people don't like vegetables because they don't know how to cook them properly. I shop my vegetables at a small grocery chain known as Aldi. Their vegetable has excellent qualities but inexpensive. And guideline number 4 is to adopt advanced prepping, which is an integral part of my fast cooking system. Through advanced prepping, you will be able to prep enough food ingredients, particularly vegetables, for the entire week. By spending about 2 to 3 hours each week to do your prepping, when you cook, you will have all the ingredients ready. Not only that, it will save time each night when you cook, but it also gives you a lot of food ingredients to choose from to create your dish. It is important to make sure that you develop a good storage system. I use a system of plastic containers that are produced by Rubbermaid known as take-alongs. It comes with a deep and a shallow version, but they have the same footprint. This will allow you to stack them together in the refrigerator. I purchased them at Dollar Tree 2 for $1. Guideline number 5, buy in bulk, particularly those ingredients that could be frozen. I purchased chicken that comes in bulk, known as family pack. Before I freeze them, I will cut them into size that is about right for stir-frying. And I then store them in the Ziploc sandwich bag at 8-ounce size. I store them in a flat configuration. This will allow me to thaw them out in a bowl of warm water in 10 minutes. Guideline number 6, get your seasoning agents and sauces all organized and ready to be used. I use a Masala dabba to store my most frequently used seasoning agents. So each time when I open this seasoning box, I will have them available to me all at once. I also store all my commonly used sauces in squeeze bottles. This is not only more convenient, but it's also more precise when you dispensing them into your dishes. Guideline number 7, learn to create vegetable medleys. The wok is perfect for create this type of dishes. And with advanced prepping, all your vegetables will be cut and ready for you to use when you cook each evening. You can create many different types of vegetable medleys as well as season them differently. This will give you tremendous nutritional benefit as well as will keep your food diverse and interesting. And you can also steam them in a steam basket in your wok. And guideline number 8, use meat as a condiment rather than the main ingredients of your dish. This will give you greater health benefit as well as save you money. And using my prepping system for meat, you can have meat anytime you want. And guideline number 9, use template-based cooking rather than recipe-based cooking. This will make your meal more diverse and interesting by creating different combinations of ingredients that are available to you, and you can season them differently each night based on your preference at that time. This way you will never get bored of what you cook. This is how you make home cooking interesting, creative, sustainable, as well as fun. Guideline number 10, practice flavor chasing. What this means is that you will always try to improve the flavor of your dish. With advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, you have many opportunities to make adjustments and modifications to your dishes anytime you want. Once you start to practice flavor chasing, you will soon discover that you are your very own best cook because you know exactly how you like your dishes. So in summary, the first guideline is to adopt the fast cooking system. The second guideline is to learn and master stir frying. And the third guideline is always to cook with fresh ingredients. And the fourth guideline is to adopt advanced prepping so you can have everything ready when you are cooking. The fifth guideline is to buy in bulk as much as possible. The sixth guideline is to have your seasoning and sauces right at your fingertip. The seventh guideline is to learn to create vegetable medleys. And this is followed by the 8th guideline, which use meat mainly as a condiment rather than main ingredients of your dish. The 9th guideline is to use template-based cooking rather than recipe-based cooking. This will allow you to do flavor chasing to create exactly the flavor that you enjoy. And by following these 10 guidelines, it is possible to make home cooking practical, efficient, healthy, and most importantly, sustainable. I post a video each day to help you to develop a strategy and approach so that you can cook every day. With fresh ingredients that is practical, efficient, creative, as well as fun. So keep on cooking, and I will see you tomorrow.